Hey there, this is Melissa with Lady Boss Leads. I spoke to you earlier today and I just wanted to take a minute and shoot over that video as promised. So I'm going to go through your website and do an audit and show you what's holding you back from getting to the top of Google and see what you can do today to bring you the most value and start outranking your competitors online. Excuse me. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for, say, HVAC, Palm Bay, Florida, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. They're looking for keywords and what your site should be found for, like the services that you offer and what areas you serve. So looking at your site here, it looks great, nice and bright colors. Call to action page right here. It doesn't have a whole lot of content though. So one thing I can tell you about Google is they love to see a lot of content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, using those keywords about 10 to 15 times ideally. So when we go and do a search for HVAC Palm Bay, Florida, all these listings up at the top, these are Google ads. So these companies are all paying per click for these ads. And this is really a good way if you need immediate leads coming in super fast. That's the way to do that. And then when you scroll down a little bit further, this is called the map pack. All of these businesses have a G&B or a Google My Business page. And it looks like you're listed number 3 in here, so that's super great. Man, and you have 184 almost 5-star reviews. That's awesome. So you're probably getting a lot of phone calls in because of that. So if we scroll down a little bit further, this is what's called the organics. So you really want to be listed on the first page of this as well. Again, ideally in the top 3. Let's see. I didn't see y'all's site on the first page, so must be a couple pages back. So you really want to try and get your website on those organics as well. It's going to help you get even more phone calls in. And these listings are citations. So a citation is any directory where your company name is listed in their site. Things like Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor. So it's super important to have your company listed in those as well. Just note that all of those leads that are coming in through those directories, they're being shared with all of the other contractors. So they're not coming in exclusively to you. If you get organic SEO coming in through your website alone, those leads are going to be coming to you and you alone. So let's look at this guy that's number 1 here. Palm Bay Air and Heat. So his webpage looks good. Has a call to action as well up at the top. It has a decent amount of content, but it's really not enough. So he would be super easy to beat out content-wise and get you to the top of that Google listing. Because at the end of the day, you want to be number 1, right? So you can get the most phone calls coming in. So when we look at his site, I use this program called Ahrefs. It basically goes in and analyzes a website so you can go and see what you're up against and what you need to do to outbeat those competitors online. So this is called a UR rating and a DR rating. These numbers are super important according to Google. This is how they're going to rank your site and push it to the top. So the UR is basically how much Google trusts your site, and the DR is how powerful your site is. These numbers are typically raised by backlinks. You're probably wondering what the heck a backlink is. So a backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google sees it as a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more they see your site as being powerful and trustworthy, and they're going to kick it up to the top of their rankings. So they have 335 backlinks coming from 37 referring domains. 17 of those are super powerful sites. And they have 118 keywords, and they have 151 people coming to their site per month. So that is pretty good. Let's see what their keywords are. So this shows us what their specific keywords are listed on their website. So this is the volume column. This is how many searches this keyword is getting per month. So Palm Bay AC repair 50 times a month, AC repair Palm Bay 50 times a month, Palm Bay heating and air 40 times, Palm Bay Air and Heat, 90. Palm Bay Heat and Air, 30. Palm Bay Air Conditioning, 30. Air Conditioning and Repair, Palm Bay, Florida, 50. So they're getting a lot of search volume through these keywords that they have listed on their site. So that combined with the backlinks that they have is the reason why they're listed number 1. You guys actually have a lot of backlinks on your site as well. So your UR number is really good. Your DR number is okay. You do have a lot of keywords. You have 66 people finding your site per month. That's awesome. So it really wouldn't take a lot to just add some keywords and content to your homepage and really beat out all those competitors and get to that number 1 spot. I hope you guys found this helpful and you can implement some of these strategies. Please leave me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions at all. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye.